Hello, this is Dr. Steflik with Coastal Integrative Healthcare in Edgewater and Palm Coast, and I'm going to share with you today the top 3 conditions that if a patient has this condition or one of these conditions, it puts them at a much higher risk of suffering consequences from the coronavirus or COVID-19. So first of all, some of the information and statistics that we have, they come from multiple different sources. I'm going to quote and cite the ones that I have. They all are fairly similar in percentages when we look at them, but it's important to know where they came from. So the first one that I have is that 99% of the people that have died from the coronavirus had a pre-existing health condition. And that's from the National Institute of Health from Italy. And out of those 99% that die, they have most of them have a high percentage of 3 main conditions. So those 3 conditions, number 1 is diabetes. They found that 32% of the patients that died from the coronavirus had diabetes. Why that is, they're still trying to figure out exactly, but it can also be attributed to the inflammation that diabetes creates in the body, which can affect the lungs and the ability for the body to heal itself. Number 2 was heart disease. 29% of the people that died had heart disease, which is pretty self-explanatory as to why that would affect them. The third condition was lung diseases like COPD or emphysema. 21% of them had that condition. High blood pressure was another underlying condition. So the take-home message here is if you have one of those conditions, if you have diabetes, heart disease, or a lung condition, or if you're over the age of 60, it's important that you take extra good care of your health at this time. You do everything you can to boost your immune system, taking the right vitamins, making sure you get some sunshine, some exercise, the appropriate sleep. You want to do everything you can to protect yourself ahead of time in case you do get the virus. And then number 2, make sure that you stay away from public areas where you might be able to pick it up. So hopefully you found this useful. Pass this information on and share it with someone that could benefit. And we're here to help you in any way we can. We'll talk to you soon.